This law firm was started in 1958. When I started in the early 90s, this firm was already well established and was considered one of the top trial firms in the country. And in the history of this firm, we've won over $26 billion in verdicts and settlements. Our success speaks for itself.
There's not a single partner in this law firm that doesn't have multiple multi-million-dollar verdicts. I'm not talking about just settlements, I mean verdicts. So we're in a position where once we talk about it, if we are invited to get involved in a case and do something about it, we have the ability to make a difference there.
Think about where the injury occurs and who ultimately is going to decide your fate. It's going to be local folks like you and me in that community. And so we've been here since 1958 doing exactly this successfully before these same judges in these same courthouses. That means something.
What our law firm brings to the table is the army behind David. And so it's not just the little guy, having to fight Goliath, but it's the little guy plus us. And what we're able to do in that courtroom is really make sure the playing field stays level. And so we bring not only the expertise, but we can bring the resources.
You do have to have an unbelievable amount of empathy to do this type of litigation. But from that empathy, because you feel so connected to your clients, you can channel that and put all that energy into making things right. It's something that I think we harness at Cunningham Bounds to hold people accountable and make sure that justice is served.
We're lucky to have a staff and a group of investigators that are 100% committed to the clients in the same way that we are. One of the things I think that sets this place apart from lots of other places is they take it personal and they love the clients as much as anybody here.
The primary benefit of having Cunningham Bounds represent you, or me representing you, is you're going to be a part of our family. You're not going to be a number. We only take a very limited number of cases that we feel very, very special about. For that reason, we're able to bring our clients into the fold as if they're part of our family. And we treat them like family and we work for them like they are our family, which is why we're so committed to winning for our clients.
One of the advantages of having our firm help is that we take the burden off of you from a legal standpoint. You can hand that off to us. And that puts our clients in a unique position to focus on what's important, which is getting well or mourning the loss of a loved one, trying to put your life back together as best you can, knowing that we're going to be fighting tirelessly and endlessly and every day to handle your case.
Every lawyer in this firm and previous in this firm could have had their own firm. There's a lot of very successful trial lawyers. And one thing that has made this place work is that you have all these great lawyers who are good people that all are able to come together and work together for the betterment of the client's case. It gives us an edge against everybody else.